So viewers, we'll start this bulletin with some breaking updates coming in. This time, a reaction coming in, a statement coming in from the Russian foreign minister. Russia has now issued a statement on the India-China face-off. Russia foreign minister has now said that Russia welcomes the de-escalation steps taken by both the sides. In fact, he has stated, and I quote, that it has already been announced that the military representatives of India and China have made contact. They are discussing the situation, discussing measures to de-escalate it. We welcome this. Latest update coming in from the Russian foreign minister, Russia has now issued a statement on the India-China face-off. Let's go across to our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor, who's also joining us over the phone line. So Aishwarya, a big statement coming in from Russia this time, where the Russian foreign minister has in fact welcomed the de-escalation and talks happening between the military representatives of both India and China. Please take us through your reactions.
Well, that's right, and then this is after that very important statement coming in from the US, because the world powers understand that this is 2020, and then India and China both are very equally strong powers, and they would not want any kind of escalation happening between India and China. But then the statement or then the reaction which has come in from India back to China is very clear, that they will not accept this kind of aggression. The Indian army did not cross the LAC, and it's on the contrary, the Chinese PLA army which rather came into the Indian side, and this is something which India will not accept. And the international powers, whether it's the US, whether it's the Europe or it's Russia, all of them basically understands that this is something which will really escalate into something, and that's why you see first the US and now you have the Russia coming out with such very, very sensitive statements, because they all understand that this needs to be de-escalated. And that's what our Prime Minister has also said, that India wants peace, but India will not accept this kind of aggression coming in from China under any circumstance. So the world powers understand it, that how sensitive the whole situation is, that the equilibrium needs to be maintained between India and China. Today's India is not that of 1962, and this is something which even Beijing should understand. This kind of act of aggression, this kind of act of violence should not have happened. And that's why you see the international powers coming out. Even you saw the UN chief coming out, and now after US, this is a statement coming in from Russia which basically states that both the countries should understand the responsibility which they hail at this very point of time, and then de-escalation should happen with immediate effect. Yes, Richa.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us